Hello there guys and welcome back. This is the brand new iPhone SE, released very recently. Now the previous iPhone SE came out in 2016 for the very low price of £399. This is £419, so a very, very slight increase. In the US it's the same price as the original at $399. This phone, for most people, is going to be a throwback as it looks like the iPhone 6 and it has that original design with the top and bottom bezels and the home button. Of course, for most people, if you're coming from an iPhone 6 or a 6S or even an iPhone 7, this is going to be a very nice upgrade for you if you don't want that brand new bezel-less design. If you're not bothered about that and you just want a spec bump, this is going to be perfect for you. So let's get on and open up this box. Now Apple makes it very easy with little pull tabs, so you don't even need a knife. Open this packaging, take off the plastic, and we are greeted with the box. Now I like that they have a sort of a texture on the top, so it makes it feel like you're touching the phone itself. Even the home button, it's quite nice. It's set into the cardboard. So let's open up the box, and the first thing we have is the Designed by Apple in California paperwork on the top, and this has all of your instructions, although the average person who's used a phone before I don't think will need to read these. So let's open that. That's the phone there. It's quite exciting actually. So as you can see in here, it's got your SIM card opener, SIM tray opener, your Apple stickers. It's got all of the safety info, including like the battery stuff. And then we have the original instructions here. So like the side button, Touch ID, we do have the lightning connector, and it does come with wireless charging. This is the cheapest phone I know that comes with wireless charging. There are other phones that cost this price that don't even have that feature. It seems to be a premium feature, if you like. And that is the phone itself. So let's bring that out. Wow, it's very small. It feels really small. Of course, the home button is that haptic press that they introduced on the iPhone 7. I've gone for the white model, and it does look very nice indeed. Very little info. On most UK phones, there's always like the IMEI number, some other digits, etc. Here we just have that, which I wish it wasn't there, but still, it's there. The Apple logo has been moved towards the center of the device, so it looks a bit cleaner than previous versions, which had it about there towards the top. It's just a single camera shooter. But for £419 or $399, I really can't complain at all. I do love how the glass curves into the metal frame. It's 3D glass, and it does look very nice. So that's the phone itself. Quad flash on the back as well. So let's put that down and take a look at the accessories. So it's your standard Apple accessories because, you know, it's very, very inexpensive. You do have your Apple earpods, and they do come with a lightning connector like the iPhone 8 series. This also does not have a headphone jack. That's fine with me though, because I've got used to using wireless headphones anyway. We do have the 5-watt power brick in here. This will be very familiar to most people who have had previous iPhones, as this is the same one they've shipped since, I believe, the iPhone 4. It's pretty standard. The US one looks different. It's a bit longer with the prongs coming out there, but of course the UK one, pretty standard. And then we have the lightning cable in the bottom there. And that's everything that comes in the box. So you have your lightning cable, your charger, your earpods, and your iPhone. Now I don't have one with me to compare, but this looks very, very much like the iPhone 8. It's essentially the same design on the back. The camera does look a little bit different, and of course the Apple logo is more moved towards the center. But apart from that, it looks very much the same. So let's peel off this plastic. Satisfying every single time. So guys, that is the iPhone SE. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I will be posting in about a week's time or so my usage. I'm going to be using this as my main daily driver phone. As I've never used an iPhone with a home button before as my daily driver, but we'll see how that goes. It is pretty small, being a 4.7-inch device, but that's going to be nice, for one-handed usage. You can reach everywhere with your thumb. So, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.